Alright folks, welcome all of you again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, and today also let's have a look at the gold market over here and find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, like 24 hours. So if you have been with our channel for a while now, you might already know that I'm a day trader. Mostly I'm trading gold and some indices too, and mostly I'm trading short-term trading than the day trading or scalping. So short-term trades means not a day trading. Actually, it's my personal opinion, and not even scalps. Short-term trades mean if you are holding on your trades like up to 2 to 4 hours, it's for me just a short-term trades. So scalps means it's less than like half an hour for me. We call it high-frequency trading. If you are just holding your trades, if your trades like less than half an hour, if you close your trades within half an hour, that's the scalping. And day trading means for me, that's my just personal opinion. I'm saying again that like if you're holding your trades like more than 8 hours, 9 hours, or within 24 hours, whatever you make some trades, that's day trading. So for me, I'm personally trade short-term trades, like I'm holding my trades like up to 2 to 4 hours, like that stuff. All right, let's get into our charts and let's find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, right? So according to the previous analysis, that previous chart over here with analyzers, you can see a strong bias comes up. Actually, this happened with the yesterday jobless claims report comes up. First, let's have a look at the fundamentals too a little bit. Yesterday, let's go to our yesterday reports over here. We can see the yesterday reports, retail sales, not the initial jobless claim. This one is the main report that has been released yesterday. So because of that, the market just goes up. However, when looking at the all reports that has been released within this month, let's filter all the US news and as well the impact, high impact and medium impact, and yeah, this is the one. So and as well from 5th. All right, there you go. All the reports from 1st of June to today, right? I can see that most of the trade are red, though that means like US dollar is getting a little bit weak. All right, so that means the gold and all the indices and the stock market could have gone up, but before the main uptrend, I'm expecting a down move, right? So this market up move, like this gap over here, could be probably filled before it start main uptrend. So I'm expecting a down move as a main trend, right? From here, like this is the main reverse zones for me. Like the currently market is creating a down move. Like look at the previous uptrend over here. It's very strong, and after that kind of a market, the consolidation, and then market goes up, but very slowly. Looks like sellers are pressuring to the downside. However, this is my reverse zone, but market could go a little bit up to the previous pinpoint over here, but that could be a fake market over here. But this is my reverse zone over here. This is one reverse zone, and as well, once market reaches while goes down over here, this will be another market down move, up move to the upside. So this will be my short-term trade entry area. Like as I told you, market could be reversed to the upside like 2 to 4 hours. That up move could be last. So this is my main up and down reverse zones, and as well even here market could reverse to the upside like small up move, like for scalps, right? The market hold couple of minutes or couple of hours like that and goes down. So these are the main reverse zones for me for the next couple of days. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Just do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful. See you again with a new analysis with Euro USD and Pound USD.